What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and today we're going to check out the MPOW MDOTS, the Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Could these be the best value earbuds on the market? Let's find out. Here we are, MPOW MDOTS, wireless earbuds. So I picked these up and they seem to be a cheap little set of earbuds, but they're full of really good features. So I figured why not pick them up, give them a go. So let's just see, they are Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect more than one device to these at one time, which is great. Operational range says here 10 meters, pretty much the norm for Bluetooth. Charging time 2 hours. Now, I would assume that's the charging time for the buds in the case. And yeah, so they're water resistant as well. It says here base plus. And twin and mono mode. So yeah, let's get these unboxed and get a look at them. Box, there we are. We have the charging case. And the charging case has micro USB. It's a bit disappointing. Kind of like USB-C. Oh well, coming out at all. Oh, the buds are inside as well. Kind of look like Galaxy buds a little bit. Not bad, good looking buds. And in the box we have charging cable, little short one. And we have tips, ear tips. So I would imagine those are small and large, and then I would assume then these are mediums. Yeah. Really? And then there is these additional little tips, these additional little rubber tips. Yeah, so there's a little like rubber tip here that goes on the bud, and I would assume to help keep it in your ear. So there's just spares of them as well. And what else do we have here? So 2-year warranty. Register within 15 days to extend up to a 2-year warranty for free. Well, that's good. 2-year warranty. Have just a little thing of instructions on there as well. Pretty straightforward. Goes through the parent setup, a reset, and button control. So it says here on the right earbud, volume up, press and hold. Volume will be up increasingly. Yep. Next track, double click, standard. Play, pause, 1 click. Answer or end a call, click once. Reject a call, press and hold for 2 seconds, and then triple click, activate Siri or Google. The left earbud is exactly the same, only it is, if you hold the button down, it will put the volume down. So right earbud for volume up, left earbud for volume down. That's pretty good. Why can't AirPods do that? The right earbud is next track, the left earbud is previous track. Yeah, that's a pretty good little feature set. Let's try these out. I will pair these to my closest device, which happens to be my iPad. Oh yeah. So instantly it just shows up under Bluetooth when the case is open, MPOW MDOTS, just a click. That's it, paired. Simple. That's actually quite good because there's a couple of little sort of wireless earbuds that I've tried before, and you've had to pair each bud individually, and it can become a bit of a nightmare to pair them up. So I'm quite glad that that's quite straightforward. Okay. Yeah, they're comfortable. Do they stay in your ears? yeah, can't complain at that. Sounds okay. I mean, it's good. It's clear enough. I mean, it's not groundbreaking. It's not, you know, for what it is. It sounds good enough. There's not much in the ways of bass. Not quite sure what it says in the box here, but bass plus. But yeah, I mean, it does what it says in the tin. Good little set of headphones. Good features. Just held the left bud there and it's put the volume down. Held the right bud in, volumes went up. That's great. That's a great set of features for these little headphones. I'm really impressed. So I'll put one of these back in the box, back in the case. Yeah, single bud mode. And this one's off. Great. That's really good. Can't really complain about them at all. The sound isn't groundbreaking on them, and bass is kind of non-existent on them there. But the best thing about these is I paid £27 for these. These come with a lot of the features that a lot of the top flagship wireless earbuds come with, and then some. Volume controls up and down is something I think AirPods especially is missing on the buds. So for £27, I don't think you can go wrong with these. Yeah, that's pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you looking for a cheap set of wireless earbuds? Not a bad place to start for these here. Good features. Bluetooth 5.0 charging case. Yeah, what's not to love? Fantastic. They're very, very good value for money. Definitely. So that about wraps that up, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. Really appreciate it. Helps me out massively. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You should find it right here. I would really appreciate it, guys. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Thanks, guys.